Hi guys, so today the video is on uh, regarding Evng. So Evng means emulated virtual environment. It is like GNS3. I think you all have heard about GNS3. So kind of Evng is another version. Sorry, kind of a GNS3. So this because as Evng we can build our own labs. Okay, so any labs what you like, and so just like you can build what you want, like it's related to firewall for especially for students who wants to learn themselves. So you can you can install a firewall. It supports so much of file format, right? So first there are we look at the Evng. So there are two type of Evng. One is community edition and pro. Okay, so we go for the screen, so we compare the edition. So actually community edition is free, so there is no need to pay anything. And there is a professional we have to get a license. Okay, so and there are some few difference in this. Look, the free edition is come, they limited to 63 nodes, okay, per lab. So it has 1024, right? And okay, it supports Wireshark, so Telnet client, VNC client, all the stuff, right? So you can get these all for in their official web page, right? So and you can they will provide you a cookbook as well regarding Evng. Okay, so next, and it's actually Evng, it's a Linux base, right? So it's a Linux based VM. So they will provide you the OVA file as well. So let's see that as well. So if you go for the downloads, there first they give a free Eve community edition. Sorry, here Evng professional and learning center version, right? So they have mentioned here Evng Pro OVF and Evng Pro as a Google Mirror. There are three different sites to download, and they have provided you a ISO as well. So this is for the Pro, and you have to buy a license. Okay, so by section, click on this, you can purchase a license. This is a community edition. Actual community edition is limited access, and you can within the limited access you can do so much of things. So here they are the OVF and ISO. So I have already downloaded my OVF. So and I've downloaded my OVF file already. So and apart from that, I want to tell you guys there are some these Evng guys provides top to bottom each and every documentation, how to install Evng, how to upload and file, all those stuff, and they rent Evng servers as well, right? So I'll show you that and see here. So in the installation, right? See the installation, how to install, system requirements, and virtual machine in bare metal, install Google Cloud, yeah, and Evng they officially supports for the Google Cloud platform, right? So their supports and the cookbook includes how to install Google Cloud platform, Evng installing on Google Cloud platform, and seeing they have a Qemu image naming, all those stuff. So if you what is Qemu image? Qemu image naming means when you're uploading a file. So if you get a file load balancer, this name should be exactly like this. You cannot change this. Okay, CDA. So this should be like this. You cannot change these names, otherwise the image does not appear on the Evng, right? So as you said, so you can get these all those stuff in the Evng official website. So I'll drop the links in the description box below. And if you go to the bottom, so here we have mentioned Evng host partners print e server online, right? So if you click this, the page will be load like this. So here they are renting Evng servers, the cloud hosting. So okay guys, so finally once I am download the image, so I uploaded to my VMware Workstation. So I have allocated 6 GB memory for this and 4 CPUs, and I have bridged my network. So this is how the network adapter should be on your on your VM, right? So because if you bridge this, I show you. So because we have to get the GUI as well. For the to get the GUI, I am bridging this my EVng VM's network adapter, right? So I'll show you that as well. So let's start the VM. Okay guys, my VM is starting now. Okay, right. Okay guys, so this the event has booted up, right? So this is my 192.168.150. So from this IP I'm going to get my Evng GUI, right? I hope you all get it. So I'm just going to log in, root, password. Yeah, okay. So when you enter the password, the root user ID password is Eve. Once you entered, change the your password. Enter, enter, enter. Then next domain name, give it as it is. Okay, and DHCP. What you like, you can make it static, or you can use a DHCP. So in this scenario, I am using DHCP. And okay, just direct connection, finish. Right, guys. So again, once you done this configuration, your VMware VM will be restarted. So let's wait a while until boot up. Okay guys, finally my Evng VM is booted up after a long time. So right, so this is my management IP. Now using this management IP, I'm just going to get GUI, right? Right, okay guys, so this is the interface of the if right, then username should be admin and password. Okay, and here there are two consoles, one native and HTML. So I prefer native, so I just keep the native console and then sign in. Okay, so yeah, boys, this is the interface. Actually, this is the interface you will be getting. So we have some labs here, miscellaneous, means here in BGP, all the stuff, SRP, okay, MPLS, some stuff, and routing switching, expert, network foundation, other stuff. So these are inbuilt, which given in the VM file, even VM file. So now I'm just going to create a lab, right? So before that you can add a folder here, for example, routing switching. Okay, add a folder here, so routing switching, and then we can create a lab here, routers, and you can here describe about it, about the lab, okay, all the stuff, and save it. So it will be created here. So this is our lab now. Okay guys, so here you can add the nodes here. See, I'll show you here guys. So these are in okay, here, because these here Linux. Okay, if you please go iOS 2 stuff. So these it means that it shows you across here, so it means you don't have the image file. Okay, you have to upload it. Okay, so I'll get a image here and it's saved. Okay, right. So guys, I'll want to show you one thing about network. Okay guys, so now here there are 9 clouds here, right? So if you log into this if and yes config, so you see, can you see pnet 9, pnet 876, kind like that. So there are 9 ethernet things. So here we are going to use bridge. So if you use bridge here, so this is your cloud, okay, this is your network adapter, right? For example, we check your wireless network adapter. So if you click this, we say this is a firewall, right? Okay, we check this is a firewall. If you want to take the GUI here, you can just click like this, okay, and you have to get into your, for example, for your firewall, log into that, and you have to enter command DHCP. You have to mention this interface DHCP, so it takes automatically IP from your the LAN. So what's my LAN? So I'm using here, okay, so I'm using here guys, so I'm using here 192.168.8. okay, this is the IP I'm using. So for example, for now I'll give another video on that, so how to do that, all the stuff I'll be more explaining on there. So see, it's starting. So it started here. So when it started, it turns the blue color. Okay, so here, sorry, here guys, if you edit this before, so you see you have welcome in VRAM using 128 and RAM 256. So slot 1 is empty, so I'm using a 16. Switch 2 I'm keeping that is okay, and save, right click and then start. If you start, so it's been starting, and you click on this and click open. So look here, so here I'm just clicking no, okay, okay right, so it's starting. Enable, right? So interface, all these two interface down, right? Okay, okay. So you can see, so this is how it's works. This is how it's work here. So for now I'm just stopping this. So here you can see, you can add an object from here. You can nodes, what are the nodes which you have created here, you can see. Okay, you can do the action from it. You can take any action, start, you can stop, you have to raise the config, and like you have to export the config file. Okay, so that you have to delete these. No, delete and node you can do from there. And the startup configs here, it shows that mode you can start all the node at once. You have to delete all the config, startup config, so you can do it here, everything here easily. Okay, so you can zoom out, so status, so yeah, so, oh yeah, okay, see the CPU usage, memory usage, swap usage, disk usage. So store, we are not running Docker here, no any Docker nodes or VPC nodes. So apart from that, see, you can see everything here. And lab details, there's ID shows there. So okay, then this close the lab. Okay, so we'll go for the interface. We'll see about the interface. So mainly we click user manage first. So I am the admin, I'm the root here, so we can create another user. Okay, sorry, Joe, password, okay, right. So you can enter your email and your name and your role. So you can, if you like to add someone to this and a different profile, you can create here under his name. So for now I'm using my this. So the system status, as I show you earlier, right? System logs, see, you can get type of logs here. Okay, right, you can stop all the nodes here. So you can get help on Skype, you can go for a YouTube channel and it shows about. So okay, so that, so now I will show you another thing to how to add a file, image file to the my Evw. Okay, so guys, now this is my, where is, my management IP is this, my management IP, Evw management IP. So copy. So for this you have to use your WinSCP. Please download this. I'll mention the download link on the description box below. Please can you get it from there. So I'm going to it. Okay, I just got logging. Oh. Okay guys, so here once you upload any images, you have to type this command here, opt web, and press tab, so it automatically picks it up, and wrapper, and you wanna wrapper minus a fix permissions and enter. It takes a while and applies it. So that's it. Now I'm going to create another app called test, save. Okay, node. I'm going to create iOS. Here is the one, yeah, it's here, EOL. So I'm just pick up one image, start. Edit and this thing. Right, okay, it's starting. So okay, so and we'll see another thing, how to install a upload. Now we have checked that how to install like bin files, routing or switch files. Okay, and we're going for add-ons and Qemu. Now we'll see how to install an firewall or something. For example, I'll show you. I'm going for here Qemu naming, so I will check for 40. Right, I have installed 48. Right, so copy, and here I'll go here, right click, so new directory. Okay, you have to keep it as it is, and file. You can mention here what you want, right? So I go in there and click OK. So this is your file now, and I'm going to my firewall image, 40 gate. Okay, is 40 analyzer, 40 gate. Yeah, I'm just pulling out here. Right, it's installed. Once again, I'm running the same here. Sorry guys, right, done. Okay, so I'll go for my topology. Okay, let's remove this for now, and I'm going to node over here. Now see, it's have been activated. Okay, FortiGate. Yes. Okay, so I'm now 1 MB. So here you can use telnet or VS. I'm using here telnet. So okay, it supports first we have to configure the interfaces. So I'm using in and right click and start. So this how it works, guys. These are the images how to install. Now I have taught you how to install an Evw-ng and how to upload and upload routers and switches bin files, and have another video on how to install COW file format, how to install that, all those stuff. It's here. Let's have a login here. Okay, so guys, finally it's done. So this is how we are installing Evw-ng VMware. So I hope guys you are clear on this. So here we have fully I have mentioned, I have instructed how to install Evw-ng top to bottom. So everything is here. So just go through this video and get a knowledge of this, a good knowledge, and share with others as well. Okay guys, so the next video will teach you how to relate it in more videos. In more videos have an idea to create, like installing firewalls and how to get a site-to-site VPN, uh, and how to configure firewall to get firewalls through CLI and ASA. Most people like okay, here most people know how to get a ASA GUI. So I'll explain you how to get a ASA firewall GUI. So there are a few setups to be uh, configured on the firewall. So there are some more, like I'll share the more knowledge which I have. So guys, so wait for my next video. Okay, so please subscribe my channel. So if you got any useful knowledge on this, please hit the like button. Thanks guys, see you, bye.